Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another LV unboxing of, I'm super excited, my tiny backpack from the summer by the Pool Collection 2021. Super excited, but before I get started into the unboxing, I did want to tell you guys, if you guys are interested in seeing videos like this, with this type of content of luxury unboxings, some traveling, concerts, random videos. If you guys are interested in stuff like that, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel so you can be notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's get started. So my essay ordered it to the store and then he shipped it out to me. So I just want to show you guys how he shipped it out. This is not usually when you order from LV, it comes with like the box. You guys have probably seen my unboxings with the back box that says LV. This one doesn't, because he personally did this for me. So yes. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is my receipt of my tiny backpack. So that's my receipt. Okay, and here's my tiny backpack. I don't know if you guys can see the box. Okay, really quick. One of you guys, I will put the name right here, commented down on my last unboxing of my it was my last unboxing of the, what was it called? I forgot the name. By the Pool Collection, the perfume bottle. I'll put it down below. You guys, somebody commented because I was telling you guys how much I like the little bags that usually come with it, but since I ordered online and didn't get a little bag, she's like, hey, contact your essay. So thanks to you, I think he said he was gonna ship me one. So okay, before we open the box, because I want to frame it. I'm gonna show you guys really quick. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's my frame. I framed that bag. If you guys saw that unboxing of when I had the bag, it was so cute, that bag. So I want to frame this one too. Okay, anyways, let's see if we got it. So let's see what's in the box. So this is it. Oh my god, it is. How excited it is. There, you guys see it? Okay, so he did send it to me. You can see it. Okay, oh, look, that's so nice. He sent me a bag too. Okay, let me pull everything out and show you guys what he sent me. Okay, so he sent me a shopping bag. That's so cute. A small shopping bag, which I can frame too. As you guys can see, that one, it's the same size. Look, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, anyways, so he sent me a shopping bag, and then he sent me the other shopping bag, which is so cute. Oh, I'm in love with this one. It's so cute. So this one has never been opened because he gave it to me folded. So anyways, okay, and look, he sent me 2 perfume samples. So 2 perfume samples and that. Okay, now the part that you guys been waiting for, and I've been waiting for. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can see. I should put the camera back. There we go. Okay, so this is the part I've been most excited about. Okay, ready? I'm so excited. Oh my god, it is tiny. Look, it's in a tiny little bag. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. This is so tiny and cute. I thought it was a little bit bigger. I mean, it does say tiny backpack, but look, perfect example. Size comparison. Do you see the bag? I don't know, let me see if you guys, if I can zoom out a little bit. Okay, do you guys see the bag? Okay, this is the perfume bag that you guys have seen. Look at the tiny backpack. It's so tiny. Look. You guys can see. It's so tiny. It's so cute though. I was so excited about this. So this is really, really cute. Okay, let's see it so you guys can see it. So it has the logo, LV. And LV right here. It does go from like a ombre effect. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. So let me take it out. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. It goes like an ombre effect. It's a little darker. And then I didn't see it in store, but I saw it in a picture. I thought it was so cute. So it holds on in 3 different areas. And I had heard that it had a little pocket on the side. Look, it's pretty large. So my plan is to use, if you guys haven't seen my other unboxing, I did get the Kirigami set from the By the Pool collection. So it matches this. So I was thinking I'm gonna carry it in here. But I mean, it's tiny, but it's cute. Okay. So anyways, it has this little back pocket in the back. The stitching on this is like a cream color. As you guys can see, like a cream white color, which is beautiful. And then it still has the yellow right there. And so to hold it right there. Okay. I wonder, oh, perfect. This is so cute. I thought I was going to have to undo this. Good thing I saw that. Okay. So this is how you undo it. Oh, and the straps are inside. Okay. All right, let's see the straps. Okay, so it's tiny in here. Look, it does it. I thought it was gonna like open, kind of like the Clapton backpack. I'm probably saying it wrong. That I do own. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing on that, so it doesn't really open like that. It's just like a little hole. That's cute though. Look, just like a little hole. This is really, really cute. And then it says right there, Louis Vuitton, made in France. I don't know if you guys can see. Some people sometimes ask where my items are made that I get, because my multi-pochette accessory is made in the US. And the gold hardware and the yellow stitching. This is so cute. Okay, that's that. And the straps, I was not sure. I was thinking they were vachetta, but I'm not sure if they're leather. They feel kind of like leather, but I might be wrong. It might be vachetta. I think it is. Okay, anyways, if you guys know what it's made out of, let me know. I'm not sure, but just it's gold hardware, the like regular LV logo. I don't know if you can see. It's too bright. It's adjustable straps, as you can see. Here, let's attach it so you guys can see. I'm going to try it on and insert a picture so you guys can see the ratio of body of a human wearing it. So I can put it on and you guys can see how you wear it. I haven't seen anybody with the picture using it, so I'm not sure how it's going to look. But this is really cute and it's so tiny, so let's hope it doesn't look funny, but it's really cute. I think that's how you put it. I'm going to put it like this. I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. Usually I've seen it backwards, that I connect it to the top. But anyways, okay. This is how it looks. Really cute. And I love this side pocket. You don't have to be opening everything for that side pocket. That's really cute. So here's the tiny backpack review. If you guys want to see a video of what fits inside, let me know. I'll gladly make that video for you guys. So I'm super, super, super excited about this tiny backpack. If any of you guys got this tiny backpack, let me know what you guys think on it. Or ways to style it. I mean, I think it's really cute. Maybe like add a charm or something. But yeah. So till next time, guys. I hope you guys have a great day.